Hey everybody, we are back at Las Vegas Little Theater and we are interviewing the cast of Stupid Effing Bird, which is the first show in the Black Box this year. Tonight we are interviewing Jacob Moore, who plays Dev in this wonderful play. Say hi to everybody, Jacob.
Hi. Dev is Khan's best friend, and Dev is in love with Mosh. But unfortunately for Dev, Mosh is in love with Khan. So a little bit of a love triangle where Dev isn't getting any love. And he's just blissfully unaware and still hopeful. My favorite line in the show is nothing. I just really love muffins. Like a really good muffin, I just really like them. I'm sitting in the hallway practicing the bass because I gotta play a little blurb in the show. So, and I don't really play bass. So, yeah. Do you like to laugh? Do you like to cry? Do you like to think? Do you like to feel all sorts of emotions and just leave with questions in your heart, questions in your mind, and yet still fulfilled at the same time? Come see Stupid Effing Bird.